Wouldn't it be nice if you could place full confidence in your sales and marketing tech stack, knowing that it wouldn't become irrelevant, outdated, or clunky in just a few short years, or even months? With HubSpot's suite of enterprise-centric sales, marketing, website, and service tools, you can be confident that your team won't have to learn a whole new system later, and that you won't have to deal with any more headaches to migrate between tools. Instead, you can intentionally build your sales, marketing, and operations system. For decades, we've partnered with mid-market manufacturers like you to develop effective channel marketing systems and implement inbound marketing tactics to increase your sales and solve information distribution gaps. When we started many years ago, we were piecemealing together systems using various tools that each would do one or two things. The duct-taped rocket ship was always a little bit rickety though, so we kept looking for a better solution that would streamline manufacturers' digital footprint. Then we found HubSpot. Because HubSpot is flexible, customizable, and scalable, the only real question that you'll need to answer is who can best help your team get set up for success. As a diamond-level HubSpot partner, we've been entrusted by HubSpot to successfully set up manufacturers onto the different hubs they need. With HubSpot, you can confidently lead your sales, marketing, and service teams towards achieving each business goal in a unified way, and all in one place. To learn more about what HubSpot can do for you, start a conversation with one of our business growth advisors today.